Uh, Hello, friends. Meanwhile, Celeste is coming, so we can discuss about the market. Hello, is it okay with you all? Yeah, we will be showing slides. So these were few slides which were displayed. Is it okay with everyone? Yeah, thank you. So Celeste is joining in, I think, in 2-3 minutes. I'm not been able to. Yeah. Okay. So I think the same thing which we will be discussing about the market. So I might not be giving the brief what market will do ahead, but we can discuss what market has done. Just a second. हाँ बोलिए. Yeah, sir. Sir.
Sorry. How's everybody? So it's a Q&A session. Let's take some Q&As because people like the Q&A session. So we want to do a lot of Q&A because people have so many questions and we are unable to answer. So good evening, friends. This is Shailesh Sharaf. Thank you for being our customers and trusting us. We have released the new list yesterday for 16 strategies, and the 12 strategies we'll be releasing it today by evening. So all the list will be available now, the new list. So you have any questions on the new list? Anybody has any questions on the new list released? Because you must be having one of the strategies with you. So let's take some questions. This is very, very important. Happy to share that February strategy worked for me and I made 15%. Thank you, Nene. Despite the COVID, you made 15%. Huh? Can you share that? Can you put Nenesh online, please?
Yeah, everybody is in panelist.
So Nenesh, can you unmute and talk? What was the?
Yeah. I the first time I attended, as you know, when you came to Delhi.
Okay.
And then I purchased 3 strategies.
Okay.
And I picked up 9 or 7 shares out of 9 in top 50.
Okay.
And majority, most of them have given me positive return. Maybe somewhere 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 45,000. But the 3, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, and Bandhan Bank, these 3 as on today has given me maximum profit.
Okay.
They all, I recovered whatever was minus, and now I am 15% plus.
Okay, then this is the COVID situation, huh? Can you
This
imagine?
is a COVID situation. Yeah. At one time, about a month back, I was on a gas. I said, "What the hell, yeah, but this is too much." But I said, "No, nothing." Now I jump, and you have been telling that you should wait for 3 months. So I said, "Let's wait for 3 months and see what happens." And fortunately, the market went in my favor. So I am happy that it
Yeah,
worked for me.
so now that's one thing. So whenever if the market is in favor, what happens with other investors are, because they are invested in the wrong stock, so even if the market is in favor, they don't make money.
Correct.
But with the strategies we have, if the market is in favor, we will make money.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm
Now, if
very
the
happy.
market is not in favor, then nobody can do anything. Nemish. That's not. Everybody will suffer in the market.
That's correct. That happens. You always give comparison that Nifty has lost so much and our strategy has lost so much,
Right.
or it has gained so much and our strategy has gained. So as long as they are in striking range and makes the difference to individual, that's a good part of.
Yeah. So the stocks. I don't know. Have you attended my 5-day program, Nemish?
No, I haven't attended
So
that.
you attend my 5-day program, and the next program starts from 3rd August. So you will be more amazed what you can learn actually. But only by learning the strategy and buying it, I believe that you are already trusting us a lot. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah, I am trusting. Yes, I am trusting and I'm doing good. Only thing why I didn't join last time was actually I don't trade Nifty. I am a long-term investor.
Our program is completely on stocks.
But I thought there are in the 1 or 2 session where you shown those data and that this is plus minus and all that stuff.
That is only on the last day. Only on the last.
More on a Nifty strategy.
4 days are only stocks. 4 days.
I see.
Only last day is Nifty.
Okay. Because I am a very long-term investor. I buy quality, like as I told you earlier, you may not remember, but like TCS, Infosys, I am holding since 15-20 years.
I know. You had told me once. Yes.
Yeah. So they have given me very good return actually.
Yeah. Fantastic.
And my personal feeling is we being corporate people, where you can invest money. Either you invest in property or you invest in bond and stocks and mutual funds. So I do all of that because I don't believe in investing more in property.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Nene.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Can we talk to Mr. Hari Kumar Babu? Because if you can mute everybody, then
yeah, I've done that. Hari Kumar Babuji can speak.
Hari Kumar ji, yes. So how was the 3 months despite of COVID?
Hari Kumar Babuji, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Hari Kumar ji.
Yeah. In the ITC, I have done 12 to 20%, sir.
Okay, good.
The ITC stock. When it came to down, it came 156, but I have seen this strategy, but it says strong buy. So again, I procured the amount of the ITC 156. Okay. Then still I am holding the ITC till today.
Very good. So is it helping?
In the same way, I applied to the BHL, but I stopped it. But now it is going in the spike.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Mr. Then we have the next one, Mr. Satagopan. Satagopan, you have a question? I invested in Bandhan Bank and getting good returns about 50%. Mr.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, please. Who's this?
Yeah, I'm Kshitij Gupta.
Yes, please. Yes, Mr. Gupta. Please ask.
Sir, there is this thing that you've said that many companies' results are still not out.
Right.
And you've updated, like whatever the results are out, you've already updated in the app.
Right.
So is there any particular way we can differentiate that these are the stocks of which the results are out and these are pending? within that?
No. We have only declared stocks where the results are out.
Okay.
So that is not going to change.
No, sir. My point is that
Yeah.
how will we be able to come to this point that these many stocks results are the ones that you have already put in the app, and the remaining ones, how will we differentiate between
The
these two?
stock list you're talking of.
Yes, sir. Like,
If I, for example, I'm taking that any strategy has 10 stocks. So you're talking of 10 stocks whose results are out and whose results are not out.
right, sir.
Okay, so now my answer is we are only declaring those stocks where the results are out.
Oh,
Okay.
So
Okay.
there will be additions to that. There will be no subtractions.
Right.
Is it clear?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
so it is for short period, sir.
Yes, the more shares can add because results are not out, so we cannot give you in the strategy. So some stocks may get added. That's it. Is it clear?
Okay. Okay, so as you mentioned in this strategy page, the red line,
Right.
that by 1 month.
Yeah, because
guess,
31st July is the last date. So
Yeah.
right now about 500 companies' results are still not out. So when they
Right.
will come, some stocks may be added to your portfolio.
Right. So 20th of August is the next release date, right?
20th, if the government doesn't extend.
Okay.
If the government extends, then probably it will come in September. Now, because of the COVID situation, this is the problem.
So like if we wish to see that for every particular stock, we'll have to go into its detail and see the ROE and the 5 parameters that you've taught us,
Yes.
that if it is reflecting
No,
for
not
the
necessarily it will reflect all 5, but 3 or 4 or 2 will definitely reflect
of the latest results.
of the latest results. Yes.
Fine, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
So does it mean that the current quarter will get further delayed, the results?
Yeah, it looks like that. Looks like that.
Oh.
Looks like that. Current quarter, what I'm hearing is that they might merge the current quarter with September.
Oh.
So only half-yearly results will come out in October. We are hearing, but not confirmed as yet by the government.
Okay.
So if that happens, then the results can only be declared after the results. No point giving you a stock with the results are not out.
So Shailesh-ji, Parag Storwale here.
Yes, please.
So following the question of what he had asked,
Right.
so if we buy those stocks of top 50 large cap
Right.
today,
Right.
so we have to hold for 3 months from today, how it will be?
If all the results come out by 20th August, then you only hold till 20th August because we'll release the new shares. Now,
Okay,
if they extend it till September, then you hold it to that date.
okay. So on the screen it will be written from this period to this period.
Yeah, so whenever the result will, we'll change it. Right now it is 20th August because we have not received any official confirmation.
Okay,
Once I receive an official confirmation from the government, which will be declared to everybody, it will be a public knowledge, then we will change the date.
fine.
Suppose in one strategy you have recommended only 3 or 4 shares.
Right.
We will be buying only that. We will ignore the 2019-20.
Yes, definitely. You only buy the new ones now.
Okay. Right.
Those ones are tested, huh? So those ones are higher chances of giving results or returns.
Okay.
But sometimes what people do, sometimes they lock certain stocks from the previous ones. So you can check and then you can do it on your own. We are not suggesting as a strategy, but you can do it if you want to do it on your own if you check the parameters.
Okay.
Okay, but that is not the strategy. Strategy is tested. We want to follow the strategy because we doing subjective analysis, then we would not have recovered all the money. People who bought all our strategies have recovered all money by 6th July. So I'm very happy. People who bought the strategy in 20th February, and can you imagine, 20th February was the high of the market. And still we have recovered, right? So it is fantastic. So I'm very happy that, all. Yes, we have Shushilji. Yes, Shushilji. You have to unmute yourself.
Unmute. Kar.
Yes, Sushilji.
So this multi-cap strategy,
Sorry. Yes.
I will join,
Right.
and this is the first this is the first list I received. Just only last week I only joined.
Okay. So you have received the list, right?
I received the list.
So
Now,
did you buy today? Did you buy at the market?
yeah, I bought something, but
Okay, good.
my point is that suppose I have a particular amount, and that amount entire to be invested in one go today itself, or it has to be
Yeah,
invested.
if you, whatever capital you have, you invest equal amount in all those shares in the strategy.
All this in today itself, or like in the next
Today
few
itself, what the strategy goes, if you, what happened, it is all tried and tested. So if you follow it the way it is, the chances of making money is higher.
Now, here, another point is that in all these shares, there are two type of recommendations. One is buy, another is strong buy.
Right.
Do you make a difference like amount wise? If you make more,
No, don't do that. Not in the strategy.
okay. So strong buy and buy doesn't make any difference.
Yeah, be equal. Now you want to do something on your own, you do it, but you at least follow my strategy completely.
Okay, from your point of view, I'm asking. This
From my point of view, I will only tell you equal investment.
Another point is that there is somewhere in your this recommendation word is written resistance level, support level. So do we have to understand all this, because I'm not aware about this support level, resistance level.
Support resistance level, we have a 5-day program, Sushilji, which is now next program is from 3rd August to 7th August. We have already trained approximately 140 people in the last 3 months. So you please join the program. So you will really enjoy the program.
But here, like this list of 5-6 shares,
right?
Here, do we have to understand these levels, or we can make
No. In my strategy, you don't need to understand anything. You invest equally. What you can do is you can check the quality of the strategy by the principles. If you see the principles, what is the ROE, what is the cash flow, the strategy is given. So you can check on what basis these shares are given. You can check the quality.
We can check
because we only give quality stocks.
That I understood.
Yeah. So you check the share that the stocks have great quality.
And when today itself, if there is a like wide fluctuation in that particular shares, either upper side or to the lower side, then should we put some, like you have given a particular price, like 2,000 rupees. Now share has gone suddenly 2,100 or come down to 1,900. Do we make some distinction or should betting or something?
You can do that. It is no problem. You can do it somewhat, if you want to, but try to enter the stock at least what we have recommended. See, what happens is everybody has different timing. Sometimes some people will buy in the morning, afternoon. Okay, some people will wait. Some people might not buy all the stocks. Out of 10 stocks, they might buy 8. Now that is your choice.
That I also did, like out of 6, I purchased 5.
Out of 6, you purchased 5. You didn't like one stock. Which stock you didn't like?
I didn't like Avanti Feeds.
You didn't like Avanti Feed. Why didn't you like Avanti Feed?
Somehow it's reporting here, there. And
because they are into fishery, because it is a shrimp business. That is why.
Yeah, that may be the reason also.
Okay. That's, see, I respect that because there are certain people, they don't want to enter into, they don't buy drinking stocks. They will never buy cigarette stocks. They will never buy companies which is doing non-vegetarian business. So we respect that, sir. But we have to follow the strategy. So we have to give that.
That I excluded. And there is another point, like this share is wide fluctuation. If you read from the market's point, so many times ups and downs. Yeah. Rest of the stocks were, I find that reasonably still like.
But it's a good stock, huh? Avanti Feed is a very good stock, huh?
Very good stock.
And I can show you the chart. Vikas, can you show the chart of Avanti Feed?
Yes.
So I agree. You cannot, because it is into shrimp business and non-vegetarian business. We respect that. So that's fine. But I'll show you. It is one of the highest return giver in the last 5 years. Chart, please, Vikas.
Yeah. Chart.
So you see history, I'll show you the history. Pehle ka dikha.
Okay.
So if you see the history from about 100 rupees, approximately it went down to 1,000 rupees. Okay. And then because of some problem in the shrimp business, it came down to again 272. So 270 is acting as a very, very strong support.
Mhm.
So it is now going up. Yeah.
Going up. So yeah.
So I feel, this share is so strong, it might go up to again 1,000. If the market supports it, it might again go to 1,000.
Mhm.
This is my view, but we respect your view also. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Now let's take. Yes, Nanesh, we respect that.
Should we hold the last quarter shares like Bajaj Finance, Finserv, Bandhan Bank, and all of that?
You can
Or-
if you want to. See, again, that is not my strategy. Now we leave it to you. Okay.
Okay.
See, that is again your personal choice.
Yes. Sell
We
it
have
off
to
or
follow-
hold
we
it.
have to follow our strategy, which we have tested, So we know that when we are giving you stock, we are not only using human emotions. We are using a very proper artificial intelligence, tested, thought about, good principle stocks. So we want to follow that. What we are
But they might appear again. I think the results are somewhere around 21st July or so. So those stock may appear in the next list again.
Yeah, it may.
So
Yeah.
so might at least I would like to hold till then, till you
That's personally your
complete the
choice.
list.
Sir. That's personally your choice.
Because if it is going to come again, then I might as well. Then I have to buy
No,
again.
it will come again and again. It will depend on the results, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
It will depend on the results. It will come or not.
Yeah, but the way prices are, I feel results should be good. Anyway, let's see.
Let's
Yeah,
see. We
okay.
cannot be see. This is why we only take decisions after the results.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we have next Amardeep. Sunny is there. Can you put Sunny online? We'll be releasing today only. Sunny, it will be released today. Warren Buffett will be released today, right, Vikash?
Yeah, we are working on it. There are some issues, so we will be maximum.
Yeah, so
It
we are
can be
just
released
doing
tomorrow.
all the optimization. It will be released by tonight, I think so.
Maximum by tomorrow. Maximum.
Maximum tomorrow morning. We'll be trying to release tonight only.
Yeah, correct.
Anybody else wants to speak to me?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm again Kshitij here. So
Yes,
when we like we took this session 5 days session,
right.
There was a point that dollar index also affects Nifty movement.
It affects, but very little. It does, but very little.
Okay, so my question was that what is the effect? Like what all stocks get affected, give good return in case of strong dollar, and what stocks give good returns when dollar is falling?
Okay, so one sector which does very well when the rupee is weakening is IT.
Okay.
So whenever rupee is weakening, मतलब वो 77, 78 जा रहा है, कुछ मत करिए, TCS और Infosys खरीद लीजिए.
Right.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So this is one thing which I can suggest because I've seen whenever the rupee weakens, TCS and IT, because उन लोग का पूरा income US से आता है, they make a lot of money.
Okay.
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 So this
And,
is one thing which we
when-
have seen. नीचे जाते समय मैंने इतना study नहीं किया अभी तक. Vikash, remember we were discussing एक बार list बनाएंगे that what dollar जब affect होता है तो which sector or which stocks go up and down. We can think of making a strategy on this.
Okay. Okay.
Let's try to make a strategy. We have to test it. It will take months, but we might test it because we never release a strategy without testing for months actually.
Right.
If I start today,
I thought that you must have already done this study because the way you were telling that in case of stronger dollar, just buy IT stocks. So I thought that you must have done this study that in case
no, that
of weak
because
dollar.
we have seen many times. That we have seen many times. There is something called experience. I'm sharing it. One thing is sharing experience, and one thing is sharing accurate data, back-tested data. There are two different things.
Right, sir. I truly respect that.
So
Thanks a lot.
right now I'm sharing experience, not back-tested data. Okay, so we'll
Thank you,
take
sir.
we'll try to make one strategy. Let's see.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So which stock is your all-time favorite stock in which you can invest at any given? This is who? Can you put Ashish online?
Yeah, anybody can speak. They're all allowed
Anybody
to speak.
can speak. Okay, first I have a question from Sunny. Can you put Sunny online? He has a
Yeah, he can
question on
speak.
dividend.
He
What
can
is his
speak.
question?
You can
Yes, Sunny,
speak.
go ahead, Amardeep. Yes, Sunny, go ahead.
They have to unmute themselves and
Yeah,
they can speak.
Salish, can you hear me?
Yes, very clear. Tell me, how are you?
I'm good, Salish. How are you doing?
Good. Tell me, please.
Salish, I was reading somewhere that dividend, companies which give dividend is also a very good, criteria when you're looking at a stock. So
Okay.
when we did this 5 days course, I mean, we never talked about this dividend part which companies are giving.
Okay, good question. So what happened was, dividend was a very big criteria 15 years ago.
Okay.
But recently, dividend is not a very important criteria, and I can prove it by data. Because can you show the mutual fund, our website mutual fund?
Yes.
So I'll show you, if you want to invest in dividend, you can actually go to the app and I can teach you something. Fund categories. Now, if you see this, see dividend yield, there are only 6 companies. Can you see, Sunny?
Yeah, I can see.
And there are only 3,600 crore rupees invested now.
Okay.
Out of 6 lakh crores, only 3,000 crores is invested in dividend companies. If you see, all other categories have not many schemes, but dividend, there are only 6 categories.
Okay.
So it is now not a popular way of investments.
Okay.
There was a time when it was very popular, when so much data was not available digitally.
Right.
So there was a time people used to see dividend data, and people used to buy the stock not for rising prices. They used to buy it because the dividend was 10%. Can you imagine?
Okay.
Companies to give 10% dividend. There were companies who used to give 20% dividend. Now only the government companies, some companies give dividend of 8-9%. Now the average dividend is only 2 or 3% now.
Yeah, companies like Hero Honda used to give a lot of dividend, I remember.
Yeah, there was history, but right now if you see, Hero Honda only gives 2-3%. Vikas, can you show how much is Hero Honda giving right now?
Yeah.
So because now the companies are giving very little dividend,
Okay.
it is not a charm to invest in dividend stocks.
Achha.
It was a good criteria, but now it is not a very important criteria as on today. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, absolutely.
Data.
Thanks.
Yeah, so that is the thing which is there.
3%.
Dividend now at 3% only. Can you check 3% dividend only?
Okay.
So how much dividend each company does is also given in the page. It's not that we have not mentioned it.
Okay.
But I have not given training on this in the 5-day because now it is not so relevant.
Okay.
But I mentioned it on all the 1,500 stocks. What is the dividend yield? So 3% is very less, right? So it's better to put that. So now dividend is not a very important criteria for investment purposes.
Okay. Thanks, Alice. Thank you.
Okay. Next question we have from ITC. What do you want to hear from ITC? Value stocks, right? Mr. Anand Sampath. Similarly, how does the bond market impact the stock market? Okay. Can we have Anand Sampath online? He has a question on.
Yeah, Anand Sampath, he can speak. He can unmute himself and.
Yeah, hi, Mr. Salish.
There is a question from, sorry, one second, Anandji. There was a question from Mr. Ashish Pal. Sorry, okay, let's complete Anandji, then we'll take Ashish Pal. Okay. Yes, Anandji, please go ahead, Anandji. Yes, Anandji. Mr. Anand Sampath?
Yes, Mr. Sailesh.
Yes, please.
In the course, you had also mentioned about the bond market and the 10-year government yield as a factor
Right.
affecting stock market. So just as there was a previous question on the impact of the dollar on the equity market,
Okay.
similarly, I wanted your thoughts on the impact of movement in the bond market, what effect it has on the
Now,
stock.
what happens is, usually we have only seen bond crisis in India, one in 2013, and last year the bond crisis happened. So we have seen bond crisis happens only once in 5-6 years. And what is the bond crisis? Bond crisis is when a very large company fails to start giving interest, like what happened with DHFL. They stopped giving interest. Okay, and
Right.
they had a huge presence in the mutual fund market and everybody started losing money. So during that time, certain bond, because of the sentiment, certain bonds become, gives you losses or shows you, you get less returns from bond. Now, whenever this happens, there is a sentiment sell-off in the stock market. So it happens, but very rarely. So keeping an idea on the bond market, if any company is failing, that is why the mutual fund data is given. So I'll show you the mutual fund data. So what happened in February, March, we could see a huge fall in certain debt markets. I'll show you. So you have to keep in touch because those are all available on the app. The app has so much of knowledge, not this, Vikas. Go to bond. No.
Debt, na? You said, so we can
The
custom
debt
range.
market, yeah.
Yeah, custom range. Yes. Which period?
Yeah. So start from 20th February.
This 2020.
Yeah. Till 23rd March. So I'm taking the period when the stock market was down. So I'm showing you what happened to the bonds. You can do the custom range also now on the website. This is the new feature. See, so many bonds were down. Can you see the percentage? Credit risk was down by 3%. Now, if you click this, you guys click it.
Yeah.
So 3% डाउन बहुत बड़ा बात होता है बॉन्ड मार्केट के लिए. टोटल में तो बचता है 7-8%, उसमें 3% साफ हो गया एक महीना में. बहुत रेयरली होता है. तो जब ये होता है तो स्टॉक मार्केट में बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर होता है मतलब. So whenever you see the bond market going down, आपको मालूम है निफ्टी में कुछ होने वाला है. So अगर आप देखिए IDBI क्रेडिट रिस्क 14% डाउन हुआ था उसमें, 14%.
Right.
It's a huge amount in 1 month. 15% losses देना, 12% Nippon का problem आया था, IDBI का problem आया था, because they were maybe holding certain paper which was not doing well in the market. डर लग रहा था कि वो company payment करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. Okay, so
right.
Basically what we are trying to teach you is that there should be some knowledge, because समझे bond market गिर रहा है, stock market गिरा नहीं है 1-2 दिन. और आपको मालूम है कि आप स्टॉक मार्केट में कुछ होने वाला है, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा बॉन्ड मार्केट में क्रैश है, कंपनीज पेमेंट नहीं कर रही है, तो स्टॉक प्राइस कैसे बचेगा?
Right. Okay.
So this is how it's a practice. It doesn't come in one day. No, it's a practice, slowly and gradually. But it is on the app. It's already on the app.
This is the way you've showed us, right? We can use it that way to see any drastic movement.
Any drastic movement.
Sure.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kumar.
Yes, please.
सर आपने अपने ऐप्स में प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो ऐड करना कैसा कंसेप्ट रहेगा सर? वो मेरे को लगता है उसमें नहीं मिलता है.
सॉरी, क्या चाहिए आपको? प्राइस टू कैश, फ्री कैश फ्लो, प्राइस टू फ्री कैश फ्लो चाहिए आपको? यस सर. क्यों चाहिए आपको प्राइस टू फ्री कैश फ्लो?
भी एक
फायदा होगा।
स्टॉक वगैरह देख सकते हैं।
हाँ,
और मेरे को लगता है वो भी एक तरीका है। जैसा आपका ऐप है इतना बढ़िया, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मगर इसमें कुछ ये नहीं देखकर थोड़ा लगता है कि और अच्छा डिटेल होना चाहिए।
प्राइस टू फ्री कैश फ्लो, ठीक है, मैं स्टडी करता हूँ। प्राइस टू फ्री कैश फ्लो का कुछ बेनिफिट है क्या, मैं थोड़ा स्टडी करता हूँ। अगर बेनिफिट होगा तो डाल दूंगा, डालना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट बहुत ज्यादा चीज डालने से भी थोड़ा लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, तो मैं देखता हूँ, मुझे बेनिफिट दिखेगा तो मैं डाल दूंगा, ठीक है ना।
और एक कंसेप्ट आपका नहीं समझ में आ रहा है सर, वैल्यूएशन एज पर P/S रेशियो, 5th नंबर सर।
एक्चुअली वो आपको समझना है ना, आप मेरा 5 दिन का प्रोग्राम अटेंड करिए।
अच्छा,
ओके, तो मेरा एक 5 दिन का प्रोग्राम है, एक बार वापिस दिखा विकास, एक बार कोशिश करता हूँ 2-3 मिनट में समझाने का आपको। अगर नहीं समझ में आया, क्योंकि ये तो यहाँ तो मैं ट्रेनिंग नहीं देता हूँ, यहाँ तो क्वेश्चन आंसर पर कोशिश करता हूँ।
हाँ जी सर,
ठीक है, मैं खुला रहेगा। कौन सा शेयर खोलूं, बोलिए, आपके क्या आपसे कोई शेयर खोलूं?
कोई भी शेयर,
रिलायंस खोल लिया, आप बोलिए। प्राइस वैल्यूएशन एज पर ना,
सेल्स रेशियो, ये हो जाएगा, सेल्स हो जाएगा। ये
सेल्स रेशियो है, इसको सेल्स रेशियो बोलते हैं, सेल्स।
हाँ, ये हम लोग को चेंज कराना है।
प्राइस टू सेल्स, ठीक है।
अच्छा जी,
ठीक है, ये सेल्स रेशियो है।
प्राइस टू सेल्स रेशियो, मार्केट कैप डिवाइड बाय सेल्स।
ठीक है,
अच्छा जी, अच्छा जी।
ओके, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज।
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I'm Sandeep here.
Yes, Sandeep ji.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm new. I'm new in this. Okay. Last 2 months back, I have taken your app. Okay. So, but I have not yet invested. Only the one stock, which is a Bicon, I have taken. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But I am just little bit confused that when I had to enter. Now you said that whenever the date has been given, you have to start your strategy. Okay. So today you have been shared, but in large 100 cap, large 100 stocks में आपका जो है, okay, so it is in the same list you have given. So whether you are going to update or it is in the same list.
What list have we given? Sorry.
Just a minute. That is of my strategy is large capital, 100 large capital.
Okay.
Growth strategy.
Okay.
So same stock has been given for this quarter also. So we have to continue with that.
Same stock has been given.
Yeah.
Vikash, can you check? Same stock has been given.
Yeah, checking. Yes, check. Large 100.
Large 100.
Yeah, I think I got the issue. I got it. Maybe you are not selecting you are selecting the percentage one. You have to select number of stocks. The return will come reflect from tomorrow. Let me check whether the stocks are same or not.
There are 3 stocks. The previous stocks were 5.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now there are 3 stocks.
So still it is reflecting 5. Okay, so I have to. Okay. I am taking that 5.
Yeah, percentage. I got it. You must be clicking this percent.
Number of stocks is 3 very clearly. Can you click number?
Yes. I've seen this. Okay. I'm sorry, but I just.
No problem.
No issue. You must have clicked this. You have to click this. From today only, from tomorrow, I think. Because today is the price will reflect, and from tomorrow.
Click in number of game.
Yeah, you have to click.
Just put here, na, new stock page. You put number 3, Vikash.
Yeah.
Number 3 यहाँ पर एक red mark कर दो ना, red से करवा दो ना इसको.
Okay.
इसको सबको दिख जाएगा कि ये click करना है.
Sir, also my question is that I am new, so the strategy which is you are giving me right now, okay, but I want to read the stocks also to know about this. So you said that there is a 5 days program,
right?
Okay,
right.
So what it is, because I should understand that.
Yeah, so if you do the 5-day program, you'll understand that how these strategies are made, why these stocks are selected, when you buy a stock, what you should see. Anybody has done my 5-day program? Anybody has done my 5-day program in this group? Anybody has done my 5-day program? Let me see.
I have done.
Sir, I have done. I have done.
Store wala.
Can you share what did you learn in the 5-day? How was your experience?
Yeah, it's a wonderful experience to have that course. I wish I can go for second time.
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
Sattagopan.
Mr. Sattagopan. Okay, very good. So, anybody else? Mr. Ganesh Murthy, would you like to share something? What did you learn from the program?
Hi, hello, sir. Yes, so it was, I recently attended the 5 days course, and starting from the growth, understanding the growth of the organization, and also the, what is the depth, cash flow, and all those parameters we start applying, and it's a step by step, every day we learn, step by step, how to identify the stocks which are in momentum, also the momentum strategy, growth strategy, depth, how is which organization has the less depth on all those things. So I would say it was a wonderful experience which I learned only in this particular session. I did attend a lot of other sessions with other trainers, but it was more of a definitions with all other most of the trainers which I learned. But here I learned something unique, which we would focus on a particular criteria, and there are a lot of set criteria, right, from the big stocks like big investors like so they have their own strategies, and that we simulate here. Sir has provided the criteria. So it was a wonderful experience for me. I have gained a lot of experience, and thank you very much for the session.
Thank you.
Anandji,
really would you like to share something? You had attended with your son, Anandji. Would you like to share something? Anand Sampath?
Yes, actually, my son Karan had attended, and I was with him for majority of the time.
Okay.
And I found that it is a very, very intensive, exhaustive. These are exhaustive sessions where a lot of information is given. Also, background information as to how you went about doing the strategies, and I think it is essential to do the course. So it makes the navigation of the app and the website easier. Of course, there will always be questions, and for that, these follow-up sessions are really very good.
Right.
But I think somebody who has not attended the session, I think he should attend the session.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Kunjan bhai, you want to share something? Kunjan?
Yeah, sure. See, I also attended the 5-day program. It was really great experience, and the challenge is the way of explanation and taking all the question along. I really appreciate Shaileji's effort in this, and also for follow program also is kind of revision kind of thing. So I would really recommend to everyone that they should attend this 5-day program.
Thank you, Kunjan bhai. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
I think
would like to say something.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Subscribing to this app is like something, buying a Mercedes car. But just buying a Mercedes car is not enough. You must learn how to drive it also. And this training program would be, you would know how to drive the Mercedes car.
Right.
That's it.
Thank you so much. Actually, it is so exhaustive. The app is so exhaustive, and the training program is so exhaustive that if you have both combination, what happens with other training program is they will train you, but they will not give you a car. Like they will show you a good car, but then they will not give you a Mercedes to drive in. What I believe in that after the training program, because you have the app, you can do many things yourself, right? And we want to empower the investors. Our main purpose is that all investors should become their own analysts. And they should not follow any TV, media, friends, brokers, and not even me. I think so you should question me that how this strategy was made. I can actually prove it to you that how much intelligence we have used to make one strategy. You may only see 3 stocks here, but how is the stock made is a very, very important thing in the market, right? So the concept what we are trying to teach is that you have to build a strategy, and that is what we train in the 5-day program. And the strategy, the best part is, I want to show again my favorite quotation. Vikas, can you show Jeff Bezos and the quotation, please?
Yes.
This is my favorite thing which I want to re-emphasize to everyone. I want to show to everyone. And we are doing these Tuesday sessions Q&A, so that if you have any questions, we are there. We don't want to leave you also with the app and even after the training program. Every week we will do this program so that we are in touch. You have any questions, you have any feedback. If we make any mistakes, tell us. We want to improve. Okay, so this is my favorite thing. So Jeff Bezos asked Warren Buffett, your investing strategy is so simple. Why doesn't everyone just copy you? Because nobody wants to get rich slow. The problem is everybody wants to get rich 100%, 200%. We have made most of our strategies will give 15, 20, 25. Some strategies are brilliant, which gives also 30%. But you have to be realistic. 15 to 30% to make money and to create strategies is not easy, my friends. We don't want you to come do intraday trading and expect that I will make 100% for you. I'm not going to promise that, and that is going to be false promise. But what we can tell you is that we have tested the strategy. The test strategy has these principles which are followed by the great people. So the chances of making money is higher. Because we are using truth, we are using certain principles, which is very, very powerful. That is why despite the COVID, most of our customers have recovered money. What else do we want? And if you ask go in the market, you ask, they want to run away from the stock market because they sold off everything and they couldn't do anything in the market. So stock market is very funny, It has if you buy the right stocks, it gives you the return. So these strategies are made from those point of view, the entry point. See, what does the investor need? What is the entry date? What is the exit date? Which stocks do I buy? How much do I hold on? So by buying the strategy, we make it clear. You buy on this date, you sell on this date. This is the strategy and you invest equal money. So when this is trained and those stocks are very good, again, there is no guarantee because COVID can come again. If the death increases, you might again see something go wrong happening. But because those stocks are fundamentally solid, it will give you money. It will give you money. This is what we believe in. Okay. So definitely do the 5-day program. It will make you more confident. It will make you more confident. Okay. So Nanish, my trend of Nifty, we have already decided for this month is buy. So I don't change my trend on a daily basis for till, what is the end date for this clearing? Because
day after tomorrow.
No, monthly clearing. We don't
monthly,
see
monthly.
Monthly would be last Thursday.
30th.
Don't see
30th
clearing.
monthly, 30th July.
So 30th July, I want to be bullish because my strategy says it is bullish.
Okay.
So
Okay. No, because today Dow future is down by 300 points. So tomorrow market may go down.
It may go down. See again, we don't want to teach you intraday or something.
No, I agree with you. I don't do
I
intraday.
am not an intraday player and I will never teach intraday for my life.
I also
the maximum
don't do...
I can teach you is a monthly strategy. This is minimum, sorry.
Yes.
So I have a minimum strategy of month. Then I have strategies for 3 months and I have strategies for a year. I don't have these strategies every day. That is too much of stress, I think so.
Right.
And Shailesh, for monthly strategy, which you are saying that you're bullish now. So again, the same principle, the 1 lakh open interest was there.
Yes, same principle what we teach in the
So
class.
last month expiry, it was open 1 lakh plus. It was.
Yeah, so we have again re-optimized the strategy. Okay. Now, if Pro does 70,000 buying, even individually Pro, then also it gives a buy. So this time we have changed the strategy on that. Are you my Nifty customer?
Oh, I would be.
You would be.
No, I was actually talking to I think Ravish, so on that.
So this time you missed the opportunity. We gave a call at 5. Actually, what rate did we give a call, Vikas?
Yeah, sure.
So we gave a call of fantastic.
We are gaining 200 points right now.
Yeah, and we are already making about 200 points from the call which we gave.
Hello, Salejji.
Yes, please.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, we are already making 244 points after the call we gave.
Yeah. Shailesh,
Yes.
good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, regarding Nifty call, you have given the put one buy and one sell, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I couldn't understand that strategy. Why is like just if there's a buy call, why weren't we given a buy call? Like we just could buy a.
No, that is called a bull bread. You know about options, sir? Who's asking this question?
So this is Anup Agrawal.
Anup Agrawal ji, हम लोग क्या है ना? What we are training you, you have to understand options. Have you read that book which I have sent in the? You did my 5-day program, right?
Yes, I have done.
So I have sent a book of options.
Okay.
So you have to know there is something called bull spread strategy.
Okay.
So this strategy is a bull spread strategy. So what is happening is you will only lose money in this strategy if the market goes down below 10,150. If the market does not go down on 30th July below 10,150, then you will make the entire money, what we have given the call.
Similarly, in the last Nifty call, there was a sell call given.
Right.
And you were given to sell 2 calls, right?
That was a bear call strategy. It's called a bear strategy. It is called a bear spread strategy.
In that, there was a very risky option. You are given a sell call, upper one, and that there was a point of at least 200 to 300 point loss in that sell call.
Yeah, so what happened was that we had a profit for 7 days. If you have to remember, after the call, we gave the call at 50 bucks and it was 20 rupees, 25 rupees for 7-10 days.
Yeah.
Right. In the end, when the market turned around, we had a loss. We have shown the loss also in our strategy. So if you see, we have a 80% hit ratio.
But I want to understand one thing, Shailesh. The 50-point call was buy and the 100-point call was sell. So like, when I sold the 100-point call.
So you made 100 rupees and you bought 50 rupees. So end of the day, you have 50 rupees in your hand.
But end of the month, it went to 350 minus, I think more than that. So like.
Yeah, so this is what you have to understand is that if the maximum profit in one contract, when you make this call is 3,500 rupees and the maximum loss is 10,000 rupees.
No, some loss was too much. Like I lost 2 lakh rupees in that particular call.
Because maybe you might have bought 20 calls. You must have bought 1,500 shares then.
Now I bought 5 to 6 lots of each initially, and later on I added. But like I couldn't control that. I couldn't really understand the call because once the 100 rupees call was sold.
So what you need to do, so I'll again explain you that. Huh? I'll start again so that you can start point by point. Okay. I will start again. So I will train on Nifty again to you. Okay, so right now.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start. So first, let's go to the strategy, Vikash.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, when does the sell or buy come? This is given here.
Yes.
So if you have a page, I can quickly write it down for you. If you have a page. So basically, a sell call will come when Pro will sell 80,000 contracts.
Okay.
A buy call will come when Pro will buy 70,000 contracts. Okay, this is one criteria for the strategy. Okay. Is it clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, so in the last clearing, they sold 80,000 contracts, on which day I will show you.
It is not 1 lakh now, it is now 80,000.
No. Yeah, Pro separately. F2 Pro is 1,50,000, but individually Pro is 80,000.
This is Pro and this is the starting.
So if you see, 44,000 thing was the plus, and here on 9 June it became 40,000. Okay.
Okay.
What when we gave a call, we actually, because we had done the new strategy, we gave a call on 12th June.
No, sir, the call was given on 20th May.
12th June, sir. 20th May तो पिछले महीना हो गया.
Sir, so it's 12th June, right, sir, 12th June, ठीक है.
It is 12th June, sir. हमको एकदम मतलब मैं डेली यही करता हूँ ना, तो मुझे तो आप नींद में भी उठाएंगे तो मैं आपको 12 जून बोलूंगा. ओके, ये 9 जून को एक्चुअली कॉल आ गया था. एक्चुअली आप लोग को 10 जून को लेना था. 10 जून को जब कॉल लेते हैं तो 10,116 था बाजार नेक्स्ट डे, अगर आप देखेंगे. लेकिन हम लोग उस समय जब स्ट्रेटेजी डेवलप कर रहे थे, हम लोग ने कॉल दिया सबको 12 जून को, 2 दिन बाद. ठीक है, और हम लोग ने कॉल दिया 10,200 और 400 का. रिमेम्बर, आपने 10,200 400 किए होंगे, करेक्ट?
राइट.
एक्चुअली मेरे को कॉल देना चाहिए था 10,300 500 का.
ओके.
क्योंकि जिस दिन कॉल आया था उस दिन हम लोग पहले 1 लाख, अगर आपको याद होगा, पहले हम लोग 1,10,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देखते थे. रिमेम्बर?
हाँ, राइट. आपने पहले इनिशियली ये बोला था.
राइट. और फिर हम लोग ने बैक टेस्ट किया, हम लोग को और एक बेटर स्ट्रेटेजी मिला, तो हम लोग यहाँ पर कॉल दिए थे. एंड ये वाला पोजीशन जो है हम लोग को 1 2 3 4 5 दिन तक बहुत अच्छा रुपया आ रहा था. अगर आप देखे होंगे तो, या अगर आपको 50 रुपया था तो नीचे 20 रुपया भी बिक गया था. अगर आप देखे होंगे आगे एवरी डे. सो व्हाट व्हेन यू डू ऑप्शंस, क्या होता है, लोग अपना 50% कभी कभी यहाँ बुक कर लेते हैं. जब यहाँ पर वापस बाजार 244 हुआ, ये वाला, राइट, अब हम लोग बीच में तो कॉल देते नहीं है. मार्केट क्लोज हुआ 289. मार्केट अगर क्लोज हुआ 289, राइट, और हम लोग का 250 के ऊपर लॉस था. अगर हम लोग 300-500 देते तो लॉस नहीं होता है वाला.
तो इस पर लॉस का कोई ऐसा पैरामीटर नहीं, जैसे हमने सपोज 5 या 6 लॉट प्लस किया था और 5 या 6 लॉट बेचा था, तो जैसे जो बेचा था सर वो तो बहुत बढ़ गया, 200 पॉइंट बढ़ गया, तो उसमें लॉस ज्यादा आ गया. तो जो हमने बाई किया था उसमें मिनिमम प्रॉफिट हो गया.
हाँ, तो ये स्ट्रैटेजी है ना, ये बुल एक्चुअली. ये अब आपको वो वाला बुक में भेजता हूँ अनूप जी, और मैं आपको 1 आवर एक तो वो उसका बुक में जो पढ़ाता हूँ कि आपको वो पहले वो स्ट्रैटेजी समझना होगा कि व्हाट इज द बुल स्प्रेड एंड व्हाट इज द बेयर स्प्रेड. आप जब बुल स्प्रेड बेयर स्प्रेड समझ जाएंगे ना, तो आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, अब ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ. तो क्या मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है, ये हुआ. अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. पहले लेट्स गो टू द पैरामीटर. अब ये देखिए 43 क्लियरिंग्स में हम लोग का 10 क्लियरिंग लॉस होगा. हम लोग ने बोला आपको हिस्ट्री में.
हाँ, ठीक है,
कि 81% हिट रेशियो है. दैट मीन 10 क्लियरिंग हम लोग को लॉस होगा. 50 क्लियरिंग में 50 क्लियरिंग में मोटा मोटी 10 क्लियरिंग हम लोग को लॉस होगा. ये हम लोग का हिस्ट्री बैक टेस्टेड है.
ठीक है सर. ठीक है.
अब इसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए 81% इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हम लोग एक बुल स्प्रेड का स्ट्रेटेजी टेस्ट किए, जो अभी आपको हम लोग देते हैं. अगर आप फ्यूचर लेंगे तो आपको 50 क्लियरिंग में 10 क्लियरिंग लॉस देना पड़ेगा. तो वीक देखिए, ये स्ट्रेटेजी है. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्रेडिट स्प्रेड. एंड ये जो स्प्रेड है 300 500 200 400 जो हम लोग देते हैं, देख रहे हैं. यहां पर हम लोग देखा, जब हम लोग इसको टेस्ट किए तो इसका हिट रेशियो 96% है.
ठीक है.
तो हम लोग ये स्ट्रेटेजी भी देने लगे सब लोग.
तो सर जैसे अब की बार जो स्ट्रेटेजी आई हमारे पास,
तो आपको लॉस कब होगा? आप अगर पोजीशन लिए कि नहीं लिए?
नहीं, पोजीशन तो फिर हम तो लास्ट मोमेंट तक वेट करते रहे. तो हमारा तो लास्ट डे को एक दिन पहले मैंने कट किया, तो वो मॉर्निंग में मैंने अपना.
नहीं, आपने इस बार का कॉल आया था, इस बार का आपने सौदा लिया कि नहीं लिया?
हाँ, इस बार लिया हमने.
आपने 10,200 पुट बेचा और 10,200 का पुट ले लिया.
10,000 का पुट बाई किया.
राइट, हो गया ना आपका ये चीज.
हाँ.
अब मार्केट जो है अभी ऑलरेडी आपको 30 रुपया आ रहा होगा ऑलरेडी.
हाँ, ठीक है.
राइट, तो अभी आपको 30 रुपया आ रहा है, तो आप 30 रुपया में आधा बुक कर लीजिए अगर बुक करना है.
नहीं, जैसे अभी मेरे पास तो अभी 30 रुपए क्यों सर, मेरे पास तो जैसे 153 आज जो सेल किया है मैंने 79 का, वो 153 पहुंच गया है, और जो 153 बाई का वो 110 पहुंच गया हमारा. तो बीच में कैसे देखेंगे हम लोग? हाउ डू वी?
नेट कितना आ रहा है? नेट तो 37 रुपीज. नेट कितना विकास अपना क्या था नेट?
हाँ, नेट आज 30 रुपीज ही था.
30 रुपया तो था, तो 20 रुपया तो नेट बच ही रहा आपके.
50 में बनाए हैं तो 30 रुपए बच रहा है।
50 में बनाए हैं, 30 में काट रहे तो 20 रुपए बच रहा है ना, अगर आप सौदा जीरो करेंगे तो।
दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली हम सौदा करेंगे ना।
आपको दोनों साथ में करना होगा, दोनों साथ में काटना होगा, वही स्ट्रेटजी है।
तो जैसे अभी आज क्लोजिंग जैसे 53 माइनस 110 57.1 में आ रहा है, 153 माइनस 79 74 एक में जा रहा है।
हाँ,
तो 17 पॉइंट का है डिफरेंस।
हाँ, तो आपको 17 रुपये मिल रहा है।
अच्छा, 17 रुपये मिल रहा है
अभी तो ऑब्वियसली ना, धीरे धीरे प्रीमियम गलेगा ना, 17 रुपये आज आपको मिल रहा है।
और 25 रुपए तक नीचे में मिला था,
नीचे 25 रुपए तक मिला था कल।
तो वो वी हैव टू कीप वॉच ऑन दैट, और जैसे एंड तक का वेट करें या फिर
हम लोग कभी कभी बहुत लोग, इसीलिए आप ऑप्शंस कभी किए नहीं है। यूजुअली क्या करते हैं हम लोग तो डेली कॉल नहीं दे सकते ना, तो हम लोग ने एक स्ट्रेटेजी टेस्ट किया कि एक दिन पहले काटने में भी इसका रिटर्न अच्छा आता है। बट बहुत कस्टमर्स क्या कि लास्ट टाइम ही जब बाजार बढ़ा उन लोग आधा बुक कर लिए, 50 रुपए का 25 रुपया में आधा बुक कर लिए, 25 रुपए छोड़ दिए।
तो जैसे अभी मैंने सपोज सिर्फ 2-2 लॉट बाई किया हुआ, अभी उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं साइमल्टेनियसली?
नहीं, ऐड वैड नहीं करना चाहिए, आप कोई ऐड नहीं होता स्ट्रेटेजी में, उससे मत फॉलो करिएगा। एक ही एंट्री है, एक ही एग्जिट है, बस पूरा महीना।
अच्छा, उस वक्त 2 लॉट लिया चाहे 2 लॉट।
अब वो आपको जिस दिन 50 रुपया, हम लोग यूजुअली 50 रुपया में सौदा देते हैं। 50 रुपया 55 रुपया में हम लोग का सौदा बनता है यूजुअली, ठीक है। और नीचे 20 रुपया बना तो हम लोग बोलते हैं आधा बुक कर लीजिए, आधा रखिए।
ऐड नहीं करना चाहिए
इसमें आपको मैक्सिमम 50 रुपया बन सकता है।
तो चलिए जी, इस केस में मतलब आप मिनिमम से मिनिमम 2 लॉट लेना चाहिए, ऐसा मतलब बोलने का?
हाँ, 2 लॉट तो मिनिमम लेना ही चाहिए,
ताकि एक काट सके, है ना?
हाँ, एक काट लीजिए, एक रख लीजिए। ओके अनुप जी, इसका 1-to-1 आपको ट्रेनिंग दिलवा देंगे, और ठीक है, बिकॉज सम पीपल मे नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड, इसका 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग दिलवा देंगे। ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन। Any other questions anybody has? Mr. Sushil Patwari, you have to do the 5-day program. It will be very difficult to teach you overvalued, fairly valued, क्योंकि ये हम लोग पूरा एक दिन सिखाते हैं क्लास में ये, right? So it is very difficult to tell you what is fairly valued, but मैं briefly बता देता हूँ। Undervalued means कि पहले वैल्यूएशन सब स्टॉक्स का होता है, जो खराब स्टॉक होते हैं वो उसका वैल्यूएशन एकदम खराब ही होगा। What we teach in the class is कि जो अच्छे कंपनीज हैं वो यूजुअली आपको अंडरवैल्यूड मिलते नहीं। अगर अच्छे कंपनीज आपको अंडरवैल्यूड मिले तो उसको जरूर लेना चाहिए।
So overvalued should we buy or avoid overvalued?
और फिर अगेन ये क्वेश्चन में इट इज ओवरवैल्यूड जो होता है, यूजुअली अच्छे स्टॉक्स आपको ओवरवैल्यूड मिलते हैं।
ओके,
राइट, तो उसके लिए हम लोग सपोर्ट रेसिस्टेंस में बाय करते हैं। Okay, so this detailed training is given in the 5-day program. ये बहुत detailed training है कि overvalued क्या होता है, तो जितना parameters हम अपने ऐप में बताते हैं उसका मेरे प्रोग्राम में हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। ओके
सर, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
ये अपने एग्जिट स्ट्रेटेजी में,
हाँ,
पैरामीटर में,
हाँ,
अपना 3 months का एवरेज टर्नओवर है।
हाँ,
तो ये क्वांटिटी में है या वैल्यू में है सर?
वैल्यू में है सर, वैल्यू में।
ओके, और जब मैं इसके ऊपर क्लिक करता हूँ तो मुझे पिछले 7 क्वार्टर्स के वैल्यू वॉल्यूम आ जाता है।
हाँ, एक बार विकास लगाओ, एक बार कोई शेयर बताइए, मैं भी खोलता हूँ।
बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ले लीजिए।
बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा खोलो विकास। Is it okay if we extend the program for some more minutes? I hope it's okay. I am okay. Is it okay if we extend the program because we have questions? So I want to be. हाँ, ये बोलिए सर, ये खुल गया।
तो अभी जैसे जून 20 का 181.64 है।
हाँ,
तो ये हो गया, वैल्यू हो गया।
हाँ,
तो अब इसका अगर मुझे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो हाउ विल आई नो द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स, 3 month 90 day एवरेज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स?
एवरेज नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स नहीं समझा मतलब।
डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ, आप स्टॉक प्राइस से डिवाइड कर लीजिए, लेकिन वो आपका अप्रॉक्स आएगा। आपने क्वार्टर का लेना होगा, मार्च 20 का प्राइस ले लीजिए, मतलब वो
बता देना, बस आप डिवाइड कर लीजिए ना एवरेज से, तो आपको मोटा मोटी एवरेज मिल जाएगा।
मोटा मोटी हाँ, स्टॉक प्राइस से डिवाइड कर लेंगे तो आपको यूनिट पता चल जाएगा कितना
बता देना,
वॉल्यूम
कर देना एक टू विकास, 181 करोड़ को डिवाइड कर दे।
181 डिवाइडेड बाय स्टॉक्स का प्राइस जो है,
स्टॉक प्राइस ऊपर अधिक,
तो अब ये तो
51, हाँ
अब ये तो फ्लक्चुएट होता रहेगा ना सर?
हाँ, ये तो फ्लक्चुएट होगा ऑब्वियसली।
इसीलिए हम लोगों ने वॉल्यूम को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं दिया है, हम लोग ने वैल्यू को दिया
ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं, ध्यान करिएगा। ये सिर्फ ये है कि इसमें तो इतना हाई वॉल्यूम है तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
ना। अभी इसको मैं कैसे,
इसमें लो वॉल्यूम है।
हाँ, तो इसमें हाउ आई एम यूजिंग दिस पैरामीटर इज के वो एवरेज नंबर ऑफ शेयर आ जाता है ना सर, तो मैं अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे वॉल्यूम में जाकर के जो है एक अलर्ट लगा देता हूँ कि अगर एवरेज वॉल्यूम से अगर ऊपर या नीचे ये हो रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, सो देन आई नो वेदर टू बाय और टू सेल बेस्ड ऑन यू नो व्हाट द ट्रेंड ऑफ द स्टॉक इज।
ओके, टू बी वेरी फ्रॉम माय हार्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है, बहुत लॉस किया है, नॉट अ गुड स्ट्रेटजी।
ओके ओके,
प्लीज मत फॉलो करिए इसको, बहुत लॉस होगा।
अच्छा,
ओके,
ठीक है।
आप ये इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं पोजिशनल ट्रेडर हूँ। और
कितने दिन के लिए होल्ड करते हैं पोजीशनल ट्रेड? पोजीशन कितने दिन के लिए होल्ड करते हैं?
तो कोई लिमिट नहीं सर, आपके जो भी, अब जैसे आज मैंने IGL बाय किया है, आपके इसमें जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय का रिकमेंडेशन है, ठीक है। और माय स्ट्रेटजीज आई ओनली कंसीडर द स्टॉक्स व्हिच आर इन द डेरिवेटिव्स लिस्ट 140 144।
हाँ ठीक है,
तो उसमें जो है जो भी आपके बाय, स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय, मैक्सिमम होल्ड के जो रिकमेंडेशंस हैं, तो आई गेट इनटू दो स्टॉक्स, और एक बार खरीद लिया तो खरीद लिया। अब उसके बाद में फिर अगेन आई फॉलो सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस, और सपोर्ट्स पे आते हैं तो अगेन आई गो एंड लुक यू नो व्हाट योर रिकमेंडेशन इज राइट नाउ, एंड देन आई गो एंड टेक अ डिसीजन। It's only cash and carry which I do. I never book a loss, and for the last, without your app, you know, this strategy has been working out pretty well for me. And now with your app, I will be able to give you feedback after 6 months कि how good it has been.
मतलब आप उसमें क्या किया, सिर्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग बायर्स को अपना उस पैरामीटर में लगा दिए। So basically, you are using my fundamentals and then using a volume parameter to make money. Fantastic, I think so. That's fine. अगर आप strong buys में खोल रहे हैं तो I'm okay. I'm with you.
Strong buy and maximum hold based on my experience with that particular stock.
Okay, very good. Good. Continue. See, because sir, there can be many brilliant people. I think so. आप अगर आप strong buy में खेल रहे हैं तो वो strong buy में मेरा अच्छा fundamental parameters है, और उसके साथ आप वो वॉल्यूम वाला फिल्टर लगा के you can make money. That's good.
उसमें जो है सिर्फ उसके बाद एवरेज ही करता हूँ सर मैं। जैसे अभी मल्टी कैप स्ट्रेटेजी में आपका अभी इस क्वार्टर का जो है दिवीज लैब जो है रिकमेंडेशन आया स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय बोल के,
राइट।
सो नाउ दिवीज लैब इज करेक्टिंग एक्चुअली,
हाँ,
you see. So just yesterday, you know, I had put a alert at 2150 and it day before yesterday, and it hit the alert, शायद एक आध 2 रुपया नीचे और गया होगा, और you know, it is 2200 rupees in 2 days. Whether it is incidental वरना क्या पता नहीं है, but you know, for the last 1.5 years I have been doing this without your app, and I have been reasonably successful in spite of the COVID this thing. और बड़ी बात मैं बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा, मगर I back tested my this thing theory. Out of 35 multi-cap mutual fund schemes, I have beaten 34.
Very good. Good. You are a strategy. आप भी launch कर दीजिए कुछ।
नहीं सर, मेरे हाथ तक ही बस है।
No, fantastic. I appreciate. What's your good name, sir?
Manish sir, Manish Mahindrakar.
Manish, very good.
Megnath Investments.
बस हाँ, but please just keep it to the buying. वो जो मैंने जो दिया अच्छा stocks, उसमें आप अपना strategy लगाइए. See, there are a lot of ways to make money. So if you find your way and you're doing well, fantastic. And with only my concern is if you're in the buying stocks, then I'm okay. You're मेरा parameter. I'm okay with it.
जी.
Well, continue. Please continue. Very good.
जी,
यस
डेट म्यूचुअल फंड में वो उसमें जो है वो बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिखता है, बट उसमें क्या होता है कि रिस्क ज्यादा होती है इफ द ट्रिपल ए इज नॉट देयर, सिंगल ए और लोअर ग्रेड bonds are there. So can we have the filter that I can search by the maximum AAA bonds portfolio kind of?
नहीं, इसमें से कौन सा पोर्टफोलियो बताइए एक बार
नहीं, जैसे मुझे मान लीजिए कोई कैटेगरी है, मान लीजिए लो ड्यूरेशन फंड्स, तो मुझे उसमें निकालना है कि AAA किसमें सबसे ज्यादा है या एसओवी किसमें ज्यादा है सबसे ज्यादा, तो मुझे वैसे फिल्टर करने में नहीं हो पाता उसमें।
मतलब आप हर पेपर का रेटिंग बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ, मतलब देखिए जब अपन डेट म्यूचुअल फंड को
पेपर का रेटिंग बोल रहा है, होल्डिंग का रेटिंग बोल रहा है विकास?
हाँ समझ गया सर, वो हम लोग आज मंगा भी रहे हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड से बहुत सारे डेटा अपने आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, मॉडिफाइड ड्यूरेशन ये जो था अपना डिस्कशन।
नहीं, व्हाट इज आस्किंग इज होल्डिंग जितना भी डेट पेपर है उसका AAA क्या है, उसका रेटिंग है क्या अपने पास?
हाँ वो हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं सर, मंगवाया आज डेटा।
डेट फंड में तो होता ही है कि कितना AAA है, 95% है कि 80% है कि 70% है, फिर डबल ए कितना है, फिर सिंगल ए कितना है, ऐसा होता है।
देखता हूँ, उसके लिए देखता हूँ, मैं देख के बताऊंगा।
क्योंकि उसमें क्या है, बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस को देख के फायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस गिर जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द लो ग्रेड क्वालिटी ऑफ द पेपर।
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ। ठीक है, नोट कर ले विकास ये वाला पॉइंट।
ठीक है, श्योर।
ओके, मेक श्योर इट कौन हु इज दिस, कौन किसने फीडबैक दिया था ये?
कुंजन जी,
प्लीज विकास कुंजन करते ही कुंजन जी को बता देना, नोट कर लो। हाँ, मेरे को रिमाइंड में वी शुड इंप्लीमेंट इट व्हाट ही वांट्स। बहुत बड़ा चीज नहीं व्हाट इज आस्किंग, कोई बहुत बड़ा चीज नहीं, बट वी शुड डू इट।
इक्विटी में क्या है कि परफॉर्मेंस चलता है, बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस क्या है, लेकिन डेट में क्या है कि परफॉर्मेंस जैसे अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट फंड रैंकिंग का काफी अच्छा था, लेकिन वही बाद में टपक गया, वही बाद में तो उसमें पूरा सबका पता चला गया। तो यहाँ पे बॉन्ड कितना परसेंटेज है, AAA कितना पेपर है पोर्टफोलियो में, वो बहुत मैटर करेगा डेट फंड।
Okay, let's take Mr. Kamal Gupta's question. How do we, विकास show him how to buy recommended shares? बहुत easy है, मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको कमल जी। टॉप 500 में कर दे, टॉप 500 एंड बस टॉप 500 में सिलेक्ट कर।
या स्टॉक स्क्रीनर में जाना है
कमल जी, just do top 500 ना, top Nifty, Nifty 500 बस, that's it। अप्लाई फिल्टर कर दीजिए, बस एक ही लगाइए। मेरे जितने स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइज है ना, बाय भी आ जाएगा, इसको चेंज कर लीजिए, आप इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय कर लीजिए, रिकमेंडेशन को बाय हटा दीजिए यहाँ से। और 40 स्टॉक्स मिला गुप्ता जी, वेरी सिंपल। कमल जी, you want to come on line? 40 स्टॉक स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय दिखा रहा है मेरा यहाँ पे। Gupta ji is not talking, huh?
Yeah, no, thank you very much. It's very easy.
It's very easy, sir. All strong buys are there. I hope you're enjoying the app.
Yes, very much.
Okay. Thank you, Gupta ji. Mr. Ashish Pal, which stock is all your time favorite? सर ये मेरा कोई फेवरेट नहीं है, मेरा थोड़ा बजाज फाइनेंस एक फेवरेट था, लेकिन अब मैं थोड़ा सा फेवरेट लिस्ट हटा। मैं बजाज फाइनेंस वाज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट स्टॉक बिकॉज द वे इट वाज ग्रोइंग, बट अभी मैं कोई फेवरेट बनाया नहीं हूँ अभी, और आफ्टर बजाज फाइनेंस बनाऊंगा तो बताऊंगा आपको। ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉल, एनीबडी एल्स हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस? नेक्स्ट कॉल इज फ्रॉम, आई हैव सब्सक्राइब्ड।
Hello.
There is a chance that it would be addition of few here. How much amount? अभी 70% लगा दीजिए स्मॉल कैप में। किसका क्वेश्चन था स्मॉल कैप? कैन देवांग दोषी कम ऑनलाइन? मिस्टर
यस सर, देवांग या
यस देवांग जी बोलिए।
हाँ सर, मैंने स्मॉल कैप लिया हुआ है।
हाँ।
तो अभी तो 3 स्टॉक ही दिखा रहा है।
हाँ।
और अभी जैसे ये रिजल्ट पोस्टपोन हुआ है तो देयर इज अ चांस कि वो उसमें एडिशन होगा। ये 3 तो रहेंगे,
2-3 स्टॉक तो और आना ही चाहिए मेरे को लगता है।
हाँ, तो मतलब फंड वाइज भी अगर मुझे इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है तो अभी डिवाइड बाय 6 करके करूँ या डिवाइड बाय 3
डिवाइड बाय 6 कर लीजिए एक बार 50% लगा दीजिए, फिर 50% होल्ड कर लीजिए,
चलेगा। वैसे ही किया तो वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके डिवाइड बाय 6 किया, अज्यूमिंग कि और 3 आएंगे करके
आना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। अब वो आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है।
आई गेट इट, क्योंकि एवरेज नंबर ऑफ स्टॉक्स आपके क्या 8 रहते हैं।
हाँ, इस बार बाजार आपका मोमेंटम में है क्या?
नहीं, स्मॉल कैप ग्रोथ में है।
स्मॉल कैप ग्रोथ में मोमेंटम है ना अपना विकास उसमें? द स्मॉल कैप ग्रोथ है मोमेंटम?
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो।
नहीं है।
देख एक बार
उसमें अवंती,
सर रहने दीजिए
TV18 और
देवांग जी।
हाँ
हम स्ट्रेटजीज के स्टॉक्स पर डिस्कस करिए।
ओके सॉरी।
स्मॉल कैप ग्रोथ, स्ट्रेटजी, नो मोमेंटम ना?
नो मोमेंटम ना।
आना चाहिए पक्का ही, और 3-4 तो आने चाहिए मेरे को लग रहा है।
राइट। तो चलो मैंने उस हिसाब से प्रॉपर
3 तो आने चाहिए, बिकॉज
अज्यूमिंग मैंने आपके एवरेज स्टॉक 8 है, तो आई वाज अज्यूमिंग कि और 3-4 तो आएंगे, तो मैंने 50% आज जो भी स्टॉक थे उसमें 50% अप्लाई किया, तो 50% फ्यूचर के लिए सेव करके रखा है।
हाँ ठीक है।
ओके,
हाँ बोलिए।
आप मुझे कुछ बोल रहे थे क्या?
हेलो, कुंजन जी को कुछ बोले।
What is the period of holding? Mahesh Patil ji, can you come online? Show me once again. What do we show? हरि कुमार बाबू जी, शो क्या करना है वापस से बताइए प्लीज। बात कर लीजिए ना, इट्स इजियर एक्चुअली, नो क्वेश्चन बहुत समझ नहीं आता है। Can you please explain how to check strong buy in app? Okay, can you please एक बार वापस दिखा दो विकास।
हाँ,
फिर से दिखा रहा हूँ, प्लीज चेक करिए, नोट करिए।
स्टॉक स्क्रीनर।
सबके रिजल्ट्स बहुत खराब आए हैं, मतलब बहुत रिजल्ट्स हैज नॉट बीन गुड, इसलिए स्टॉक का क्वालिटी कम हो गया है, बिकॉज जो पैरामीटर्स यूज कर रहे हैं उसमें स्टॉक्स कम हो गए हैं थोड़ा सा। इस बार मैं देख रहा हूँ
ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय दोनों आएंगे, अगर हम लोग को खाली स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय जानने हैं।
हेलो विकास भाई, मनीष हियर।
हाँ बोलिए।
ये जो अभी आप गए ना, इसमें वो किस में से गए?
स्टॉक स्क्रीनर से।
स्टॉक स्क्रीनर के बाद?
हाँ बता,
फिर से
पहले जाएंगे स्टॉक स्क्रीनर।
आप ही साथ में कर लीजिए, स्टॉक स्क्रीनर क्लिक करिए।
यस,
क्लिक किया।
क्लिक किया।
हाँ नहीं, मैं वही मोबाइल में है तो इसलिए मैं ऐप में नहीं देख सकता हूँ।
अच्छा, फिर यहाँ पर निफ्टी 500 क्लिक कर लीजिए।
यूनिवर्स के अंदर
निफ्टी 500। ओके,
हाँ बस अप्लाई कर दीजिए, और कुछ नहीं।
अप्लाई फिल्टर।
500 स्टॉक में जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय एक साथ आ जाएगा।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ठीक है ना?
यस सर, थैंक यू।
ओके। Anybody else has any questions? Or should we close for the day? 6 बज गया. We've extended the program. Sorry for half an hour.
Hello sir, this is Ganesh here.
Yes, Ganesh ji.
I bought this strategy, derivative strategy.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो उसमें I think I'm not able to see stocks on mobile, on iPhone.
Why?
मतलब उस पे अभी when you
iPhone मैं देखता हूँ, okay, मैं अभी खोल रहा हूँ, मेरे सामने
क्रैश हो रहा था।
क्रैश हो रहा है? रुकिए, मेरा तो चल रहा है फर्स्ट क्लास।
ओके,
आपका कौन सा फोन है?
मेरा आईफोन है, XR है।
मेरा तो फर्स्ट क्लास।
ओके, तो वो तो बीच में इशू आ रहा था, अभी नाउ इट इज फाइन, बट व्हेन वी गो टू दिस स्ट्रेटजी वी क्लिक ऑन द मंथ, इज इट? फिर उसके बाद में हमें वो स्टॉक्स मिलते हैं।
हाँ, दिखा देना।
When you click on
मोबाइल में दिखा देना बेटर रहेगा। आप वेबसाइट में भी
Yeah,
देख
anything
सकते
is
हैं.
fine.
You can also see the website.
Yeah. Now I'm checking in the website.
अच्छा,
So
वेबसाइट देखिए, मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको.
Yeah.
डेरिवेटिव अपडेट, डेरिवेटिव तो है ना अपना?
Yes.
हाँ है ना डेरिवेटिव तो है.
ये रहा, ऊपर गया, धीरे कर बेटा. हाँ ये रहा, देख रहे हैं ना गणेश जी?
Yeah. Yes.
क्लिकिंग गेट स्ट्रेटजी.
Okay.
आप फोन ही कर लेते ना, ये तो बहुत इजी था, कोई भी बता देता आपको. जस्ट गिव अ कॉल
Yeah.
And
बस.
Yeah, and this is the chat.
नंबर 2 दो स्टॉक दिया हुआ है, देखिए.
Okay, so we have to follow these 2 stocks for this
That's
particular strategy.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. All right. Thank you. I'm able to see the stocks now.
Okay.
That's it.
Sir, I have just one question.
Thank you.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
Just as an example, we were discussing Avanti feeds.
Okay.
See, the Avanti feed, suppose it is getting recommended now. Okay. Based on this temporary strategy or whatever.
There is no temporary strategy. Strategy is good. There are stocks are temporary. List will be updated.
My question is on that same stock. What happens during this 3 months of COVID, and the result comes after as part of the second half yearly result, and if it goes down,
पूरा दुनिया ही affect होने वाला है.
Okay.
Nation Avanti feed थोड़ी affect होगा उसमें.
No, I'm just giving an example.
All stocks will be affected.
So, in which case you will again change the recommendation in the third quarter or something?
If it is a quarter strategy, if it is a yearly strategy, I will not change.
You will not change. I see. Okay.
Yearly strategies will not change.
Right.
Okay. Shall we end the day, sir? I hope.
Sir, one last question. I have subscribed to the large cap strategy. You have recommended 3 stocks in that. So in that the buying level is not given. So we have to buy at the current level only.
आज का रेट में खरीदना था ना, जो भी आज का भाव है.
Okay, उसी में खरीदना है.
हाँ.
Okay, sir.
App will show the average rate from today. आज का हाई लो का एवरेज रेट मेरा ऐप दिखाएगा.
अच्छा, कल से बताएगा रेट.
हाँ, कल से रेट बताएगा, एवरेज रेट. बट आपको आज खरीद लेना था.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
This is Mrinal Kamti.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have missed the first part of the webinar. Can I get the recording?
We'll see.
Yes.
You please call up and check with them. Anybody else has any questions?
Sir, myself, Mahesh Patil here, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, what is that period of holding for this Nifty 500 stock, sir? You're telling that strong buy, you are given the list, no?
No, that is not a strategy.
Not strategy, sir. There is a recommendation to buy.
That is no recommendation. We are saying that the stock is good, but it is not when to buy, when to sell is the strategy. Those are stocks which are good fundamental. You decide when to buy, when to sell.
I see.
If you buy my strategy, then I tell you when to buy, when to sell. On those, I'm telling you, those are good stocks. Now you decide when to buy, when to sell.
I see. Will the recommendation change, sir, quarterly or monthly, or we should have to see the app frequently?
No. Which strategy have you bought?
Not the strategy, sir. That is Nifty 500 stocks. You were telling that.
Which strategy have you bought?
No, that I have bought some based on this large cap growth strategy.
So you follow the large cap growth strategy. The stocks which I'm showing you, if you do my 5-day program, you'll understand that those companies are solid.
Okay, sir.
Okay, those companies are super solid. Your choice is when to buy, when to sell. That is your choice.
I see. Okay, sir. Then. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Shailesh, how frequently we change the status? Like
once in 3 months.
Okay. So suppose means the 6th of July, and then next you change in October.
Yeah, because now only the dates are changing because the government is changing the date. That is the problem.
Right.
If the government will not change, then it is always usually 3 months. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes.
सर बोल रहे थे कि 50 लार्ज कैप स्ट्रेटेजी में 11 स्टॉक रहता है. अभी तो फिलहाल 3 स्टॉक दिए हैं, तो कितना परसेंटेज इन्वेस्ट करें इसमें
अभी 20% लगा दीजिए.
अच्छा, थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है.
और सर इसमें सर नेक्स्ट 100 में सर
जो भी है सब में 20 लगा दीजिए, क्योंकि कुछ स्टॉक्स ऐड हो सकते हैं.
Okay.
वो ऐड होंगे कि नहीं होंगे वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, राइट?
Okay.
अगर वो ऐड नहीं हुए तो उसमें और ऐड कर दीजिएगा, फिर 33 करके पूरा कर दीजिएगा
After 1 month.
आफ्टर 1 मंथ.
ठीक है सर.
Mr. Sailesh, I had one question on the Nifty trend strategy.
Yes.
So on your app, there are two derivative strategies. One is the stock derivative and the other is the Nifty trend.
Right.
But in the course, you also, and today also, you touched upon the bull spread and the bear spread strategy.
Right.
So will that strategy also be included now as another separate strategy on your website?
It is the same call. You can buy futures, you can buy spread.
Okay, but the bull spread. So you will be giving once I subscribe to the Nifty trend, I will get the bull spread quotes.
Yes.
There?
Yes.
Course. You will get what bull spread to make. What you will be getting. Yes. It is there.
Okay.
Hello.
So I have to subscribe to that annual strategy, correct?
Yes.
Nifty.
Correct.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
हेलो एक क्वेश्चन.
Yes. हाँ जी.
हाँ सर, निफ्टी स्ट्रेटजी मैंने लिया हुआ है.
हाँ.
तो निफ्टी स्ट्रेटजी में जो आपने जो बाय कॉल दिया है जिस रेट पे, तो वो पूरे महीने के लिए रखना है कि उसको बीच में अपना ये कर?
देखिए बहुत लोग क्या है अपना खा लेते हैं. देखिए हम लोग बार सेल कॉल नहीं देते हैं. हम लोग एक ही टेस्ट किए, हम अपना टेस्टिंग दिखा रहे हैं कि इस रेट तक रखने से भी कमाई होती है, राइट?
अच्छा.
लेकिन अभी 250 रुपये और आ रहा है, अभी आ रहा है.
हाँ.
बहुत लोग जो है जो करते हैं ट्रेडिंग, वो अपना थोड़ा ट्रेडिंग करके थोड़ा सा 50% बुक कर लेते हैं. वो अब आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने पिछले महीने ही लिया था और पिछले महीने लॉस हो गया, इसलिए थोड़ा डर रहा हूँ. बाकी
तो इस बार थोड़ा सा बुक कर लीजिए.
अच्छा, ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू.
Okay, shall we end? I think so. I hope no more questions. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you next Tuesday. Thank you so much. Namaste. Thank you.